Part 2 of the fragrances I'm taking with me on vacation tomorrow to the Greek Isles. There's actually one I forgot to mention, which seems to always end up in my suitcase as well, and that is La Nuit de l'Homme by Yves Saint Laurent, and which actually translates to The Night of Man. And this one falls under the category Jeremy Fragrance actually made me buy it. He talked about it at some point, and this was years ago when I was starting to get into fragrances. I saw one of his videos where he was just raving about this one. I went to smell it, and I did like it as well. So thank you, Jeremy, for making me skip the overdone Dior Sauvage. Nothing against Dior Sauvage, but I wanted something a little bit different. And La Nuit de l'Homme, Le Parfum, is a mix between an amber and a fougère, which makes an interesting contrast. It opens with a very elegant peppery note, which evolves into a slightly sweet and very warm scent. A sophisticated mix of lavender, labdanum, vanilla, patchouli, and vetiver. And this fragrance is one of those fragrances that makes me feel, sexy. I wear it for romantic evenings with my partner, and I don't know, it just makes me wanna, put on a white Speedo and do push-ups. And maybe I will, Becky. Maybe I will wear a white Speedo. So obviously, by my tone and by what I just said, I do recommend this little gem by Yves Saint Laurent. It dates back from 2009, but I still feel it's super relevant. And when you travel with a wardrobe of fragrances, like I do, you have to look for efficiencies. It's not super practical to bring bottles around, and with the number of fragrances I bring, having all these bottles knock in my suitcases will likely cause an accident. So I'll show you what I do. And this will probably not be new for many fragrance lovers, but I use one of these travel-sized bottles or decanters that you just basically take the top off, and there's a little valve here, and you can see there's a level here, and you just basically fill it. And there we go. There's a few sprays now. Yep, there we go. And there you have it. And this may seem obvious, but just make sure you use the same fragrance in the same bottle. Otherwise, you're going to be contaminating your perfumes. I'm just saying that just in case. And yeah, very practical. You can put it in your bags, in your purse, and you're all set. And I will see you guys in the Greek Isles shortly.